Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Soumya, naturopathic physician. Today I'm going to tell you about how eggs is chicken protein that affects our body. So mainly gym going patient taking only chicken as their daily protein. So chicken is not harmful, but when it is not taking in proper diet, proper balance, it may cause constipation, skin darkening, as well as hormonal and metabolic stress, mainly digestive disorder. So to overcome all this, we have to practice only one asana known as Mandugasana, which helps us to improve our digestion as well as metabolic functioning and insulin balance. Thank you.